Alright, so today I'm going to replace some of this Cat 5 Ethernet wire with Cat 6. I got a tone on it inside, and this is a tone probe. I got the end taped up because it likes to fall off. But I didn't know which one of these Cat 5s it was leading into my jack inside. So you take your tone probe, and when it gets louder, you know you're on the right wire. So I'm going to tie a Cat 6 Ethernet wire to this inside, and then use this one as a pull string and pull it out to me. And then I have it ran here, and it goes up my corner of my house up to my garage attic, and then I get them all ran in through my soffit. So I'm going to go inside and show you guys, if I can work the camera, show you guys how to attach Cat 6 to this existing Cat 5. And hopefully I should be able to use this as a pull string so I don't have to get in the crawl space and crawl. But here in a minute I'll show you inside how I'm going to tie the two wires together. Alright, the way I'm going to do this here is this the wire coming up from the crawl space, and like I said outside, I showed you where it leads out outside. What I did was I took my snips. These come in handy when you're running Cat 6. They're just Gennard snips. I'll try to link them in the description. They work really well for cutting Cat 5 and Cat 6. I took my snips, I stripped it, and then I exposed this as the pull string breaks. I've exposed this pull string here. I pulled down, and then you just pull your pairs out of the Cat 5. And I like to do about, I don't know, 8 inches. And then you cut off your jacket here. And then you get your pairs. And I like to do 2 pairs. I use 2 pairs, and I cut the other 2 off. And then I take it and I put it down to the bottom of the jacket, or almost the bottom. Sorry, my hands are in the way. And then I pinch it, and then I twist it, making a hook. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other wire, but I'm going to run it to, you leave a little bit of a hole here, if I can camera work. And then at the bottom here, it's kind of hard to see, but you got that, and then you just tape up this part. So on the Cat 5e, not Cat 5, on the new Cat 6 that I'm running, it's hard to see. I don't think you guys can see that. There it is. It's hard with the stupid air, or the window. But anyways, I take my snips, score it, pull it off, and then you find your pull string in here. You just pull it down, cut off the end that you scored, and then you're left with the end, and then the pull string leaves a little tiny gap. You just separate it. I like to pull it down some. This is just protective material, and the Cat 6 helps separate the pairs for interference. Cut off your jacket. Do the same thing. Take 2 pairs, cut them off, cut the rest of your jacket here, and then do the same thing, but before you do it, take your Cat 5 that you're using as a pull string, run it through the loop, and then take yours, make it go back to the end, pinch it with your fingers, and then just twist this part. Alright, this is the electrical tape on either end. I got Cat 6 over here, old Cat 5e over here, and then you just shove it down the hole. I normally try to get the electrical tape shoved down the hole, and then I'll show you outside, and hopefully it'll pull straight out to me. Alright, well, we're back outside. We'll see if we can pull on this wire and see if it comes out to me. Sometimes it's kind of hit or miss. If it gets caught up, you gotta go in the crawl space and untangle it, and then you can pull it out. But we'll try it here real quick. Hey, there it is. And got it. And that's how you use an existing wire to pull a new wire through. It makes it easier if you shove some stuff into the, if you shove some of this into the crawl space first. because this is really kind of hard to pull. But there we go. That's how you use an existing wire to pull a new wire. And I'm just gonna run it up there and terminate it into my patch panel. I hope you guys liked the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and have a good one.